how to install or update Intel HD graphics driver on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to install or update the Intel HD graphics driver on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your browser, go with search, and under search you need to search for intel.com. Once you search, it will take you to the website. Now you just need to simply scroll down or just go with Intel HD graphics and then go with download Intel graphics and software. And here you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with get started and automatically update your drivers and software. Click on get started and here you will have download now option. So click on download now option and go with download unverified file. Once you've downloaded, you can simply open it and you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply go with I agree to the license terms and conditions and then go with install. And here you will have the improvement program. You can simply accept or go with decline and go with yes, and it will start the installing process. Once the installation process has been completed, you will have the launch option. You can simply go with launch and it should open a new page and it should tell you which drivers needs to be updated on your computer. Now in most cases you should be seeing a list of drivers that you can update here, and the graphics driver should be one of them. So if you want to install or update the Intel HD graphic drivers, then you can simply go with download all, or you can simply go with the wireless Bluetooth drivers or the generation processor graphics or the wireless Wi-Fi drivers. You can go with download on and it will start the installation or the update. In this way, you'll be able to install or update the Intel HD graphics driver. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.